Welcome to Sandha Woodworks. I'd like to show you some of our equipment and how we process our product. As you can see, we start with a raw product from Corian to melamine and particle board, where we use our beam saw. We have programs where we go in, we cut all of our parts custom fit to any program that we have and work out from there. Piece of our equipment that we cut a lot of our custom parts on. This is our rover, our BSC rover, where we bring our raw product in, we load it onto our machine, and our CNC cuts all the complex parts for anything that we build in the shop. As I was saying before, as you can see, our pieces of material come off our CNC router where they're custom cut. We put all of our hinge holes in our product adjustable shelves. As the product gets cut, we put it through our edge bander, and as you can see here, we can do multiple pieces to our edge bander with multiple thicknesses of edge tape and color. Edge bander, when our edge tape is applied, we go to our doweling machine, where you can see all of our cabinets are dowel construction, which gives us our strength in our product. From there, we actually kit our cabinetry for efficiency as we build our cabinets on the assembly line. From the doweling machine, we come to an assembly line where we use our cabinet press. We can press multiple cabinets at once for efficiency, and it feeds into our assembly line from there. Kitting area through our press. We come through our press onto our assembly line, where we clean our cabinets, we put all of our adjustable shelves in, and as it goes down the assembly line, we add all of our hardware, all of our specs for the customer. We do a quality check, and then as it comes down the assembly line, as you can see, we actually feed right into our packaging and logistics area. Another part of our woodworking facility here is this is our custom department, where you can see behind me, we have multiple custom products that we do, where we go from a bulkhead to mitered joints, where we tape them, glue them, put them together. As you can see, we have lots of product here, and at the end of our shop here, you can actually see where we were putting together an actual custom die wall, where we actually stage and make sure that the customer, when we send it to the customer, that we know everything fits for site for the installer. Part of Sandha Woodworks in our factory, this is where our automatic sprayer comes through, and we actually can send multiple items through for efficiency. As you come down here, you can see this is a top of the line spray booth, where we actually have the square footage where we can spray multiple jobs, or we can spray large jobs for our customers. If you follow me down here, I'll show you our sunspot room. This is our manual booth here, so when we do our custom projects in our custom department, we can actually open up the doors, bring a big piece of woodworking in here, and as you can see in here, we've got a product here that we've taped off and sprayed for one of our clients. In here, this is where we do all the big projects. And then from here, we actually are one of the only companies that actually have a sunspot room, where we can actually speed our process up. We heat our room up, and we actually set and cure a lot faster, so we actually can produce in one actual production day. As you can see to my left, this is our prep area, where we bring all of our product in. We do all of our surface prep. We quality control it before we put it into our spray booth. And everything is sanded here before it actually goes into our spray booth. Facet of our custom department, where we actually work on solid surface product, where we can custom cut and actually integrate undermount sinks into our countertops for our customers. We quality control it, and it goes to site with the specs that the customers actually want us to do for them. Right here we have our logistics and packing area, where you can see we pack everything to top quality. We can ship across southern and northern Ontario all the way up to the US. We take our packaging very serious. As you can see, everything is nice and tight, and we can ship across the world. Thank you very much for coming to our plant tour on a typical Tuesday afternoon. We want to say that at Sandha Woodworks, we have very dedicated staff to having our quality at top notch for our customers. Every facet of the production and architectural millwork we cover for our clients. If you would like to be interested in anything else that we're doing, we're going to have upcoming videos of specific jobs where we can show you every process from our engineering department to drawings to the floor and the final product. So stay tuned for additional videos coming soon.